My people, how una dey? Today our topic na wetin be Bitcoin. Bitcoin na electronic money, we fit call am internet money. We no fit touch am, we no fit see am like our paper money, but we fit use am buy and sell. For 2009, na im person wey dem dey call Satoshi Nakamoto bring am come out. Dis person do like lagbaja, nobody know who im be. Why im no want make we know who im be, we no know, but oyibo call am anonymous. Bitcoin na money wey dem fit send from one person to another without say make another person come do middleman. So that excess money when bank dey always collect for we hand, na im Bitcoin come eliminate. Dem dey use Bitcoin buy or sell. Anything wey money dey do, na im Bitcoin dey do. Since 2009, when Satoshi bring am come out, the thing don spread like amebo reach everywhere. As we dey talk so, one Bitcoin cost about $6,000, when be about more than 2 million naira for Nigeria money. To get Bitcoin, person need to get cryptocurrency wallet. Bitcoin dey use wetin dem call cryptography, and anytime when you send or receive Bitcoin, e go register for wetin be like alajo book. You know say alajo book, im go give you one you go hold, im sef go hold one. Na like that Bitcoin dey do. Only this time, everybody fit see am. So you go fit go, you no fit go change am say you no send money o, when whereas you send money. That's na why dem dey call am distributed ledger. No be only one person get control of the Bitcoin, just like say na only bank na im fit control your account. This one, both you and bank, everybody know wetin dey go on for the account. Na wetin Bitcoin be in shikini details be that. Join me next time, we go talk more about this.